Hello and welcome to Lunch with the Editor. As usual, we discuss the current issue of the Outlook magazine. Our latest cover story is a bit futuristic. We are talking about the possibilities of clean new energy. Cannot really call it new energy, but definitely clean energy. Our cover story is Storing the Sun. Just as giant servers completely transformed and revolutionized data storage and consumption, new mega battery banks, huge battery banks are going to store clean energy, clean electricity for consumption at various levels. This could be consumption for industry, for domestic purposes, for electric vehicles. So we are probably on the cusp of a huge revolution, something which we didn't really think is going to happen so soon. So probably in the next 3 or 4 or maybe 5 years, we may have a lot of charging stations instead of petrol pumps in all our cities, and most of our cars could be electric vehicles. Tony Seba is a futurist from Stanford University. So one of his lectures triggered this story, and we also looked around and we found that a lot is happening in India. So it is not just the Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari, whom we have interviewed for this cover package, who is very much enthused about the possibilities. He has recently inaugurated charging stations in his constituency in Nagpur. So it is not just the Transport Minister, Mr. Gadkari, but even the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center chief is also talking about battery technology. Probably we are going to get the new technology for batteries from the VSSC, which is part of ISRO. So Dr. K. Shivan tells our colleague that what they have been using, what they have been testing in satellites, the technology, the battery technology that ISRO and particularly Vikram Sarabhai Space Center has been testing in satellites is going to be transferred to the industry. So the cutting edge technology that is being used in satellites, large duration, high energy density and lower mass batteries are going to become a reality when the technology gets transferred to the industry. So that is what is happening. A technology transfer which we never really thought that, ISRO will be part of the new electric vehicle or new clean energy initiative. So the lithium ion battery technology is being largely promoted by the scientific community. So that is going to be a possibility. And meanwhile, the unit cost of solar energy, which was at some point in time 16 rupees per unit, has now come down to 2.4 rupees per unit. So that is the revolution that has happened on the other side, where energy is generated at such reasonable cost. This is cheaper than coal, which is 3.9 per unit, 3.9 rupees per unit, gas 6.5 rupees per unit, even wind 3.5 rupees per unit. So solar energy, the cost of production of solar energy has crashed to 2.4, making it feasible. And on one hand, we have the cost of production coming down. On the other hand, we have got a new technology to store it, new battery technology to store this electricity. So when both these things combine together, we are seeing the possibility of a new clean tomorrow. So that is what we have for you. That is our cover story, Storing the Sun, talking about the new battery technology which is going to revolutionize the way we are going to store tomorrow's energy. Probably it's going to be here in the next 3 or 4 years. And then everybody is talking about Rahul Gandhi's ascension. Rahul Gandhi becoming the next Congress president. The Congress Working Committee meeting today is supposed to trigger the final schedule. So we can expect that happening pretty soon. So that's also there. And then the West Asian crisis, the Shia-Sunni conflict, the Saudi-Iran conflict that is being played out, even while so many of the princes are getting purged. So all these things we have brought together, all these things in our latest issue. We also have a profile of this brilliant actor, Sanjay Mishra. Sanjay Mishra's profile is also there in the latest issue. So you can grab our latest issue for all these stories and much more. Thanks for joining.